This is a Sinrad TI-60 RF CO2 laser, and there's 60 means 60 watts guaranteed power. And I've got it set up here to install this red diode, which is the black module on the front that makes the red light, and in front of that, bolted to the red diode module, is a 3x beam expander. So this laser only has about a 1 millimeter beam, so it diverges rapidly, but with a 3x expander it would be about like 8 millimeters, a meter and a half away, which is within the target range that this will be used in a laser engraver. And it's set to 97% power, which is, according to the manufacturer, 95% is pretty much 100% on these lasers, just with the way the PWM signal works. And I'll fire a short burst here on the blue tape. That was, like I just said, max power. And the short burst just, completely evaporates the blue tape and starts to burn the brick. So you definitely wouldn't want to be standing in front of this when it's on. But here we'll do an extended. So that's probably sort of just melting the blue tape in the surrounding area. The center of the blue tape's already burnt out like instantly, but the power in the around the main spot is still enough to make that tape smoke like that and turn the brick, glowing hot. And I also have this power meter here, and we can run a power test on it. So I'll turn on the beam and put this in the beam path. Which is a little, worrisome, but it's making about 103 watts of optical power right now.